Hey Kidscoast, this is Miss Richard. We are going to draw together. You need a piece of paper, you need crayons or something to color with, you'll need a marker, and you'll need a pencil. We are going to draw Jesus' hands today with a heart in the middle and a band-aid over the heart, showing that God can heal our heart and that He holds our heart in His hands. When you're ready, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to take your own hands and you're going to flip it over so that it looks like your hands are going to be holding something. You've got your hands facing up. You're going to just trace your own hand. It's okay if it's not perfect. You just want to get the general shape of your fingers facing up. And I cannot draw with both hands. So I'm going to, after I get this hand done, and then flip your hand over to get the other side and trace your hand again. And then in the middle of your hands, you'll want to draw a V for the top of your heart you're going to draw in the middle, and then come down kind of by the bottom of your hands and draw another V. And from there you're going to draw a big curved line to connect those lines. So this line will connect to this one. And kind of curve around and connect. And you'll do the same thing on the other side from here to here. Okay. And then we're going to draw a band-aid over the heart. We're going to draw two parallel lines. And then connect those with a little bit of a curved line. And then we're going to draw a square in the middle, or a rectangle with a little bit of curved edges to kind of give the middle of the band-aid. We're going to draw a cross on the middle, and then maybe some parts that are broken on the heart. Okay, now you'll need your marker. We're just going to go over the pencil lines that you want to keep. You don't have to keep all of your pencil lines. It's okay if you made a mistake. You're not going to see them at the end. So go ahead and trace over your lines that you want to keep. So get a hard outline in black. Okay, and once you have it all outlined, you're just going to fill it in with color. I'm going to do my hands about my skin color. You can choose a crayon that matches your skin color, or that you would imagine Jesus' skin color looking like. And then the heart I'm going to do with reds or pinks. And then the band-aid, you can choose your favorite color, whatever color band-aid you'd like to make yours. You can add whatever details you'd like to make this your own. It does not have to look like mine. This is your time of worship. All right, let me see your art. It looks awesome. Remember, if you would like your art to be featured this month, you can have your parents send a picture of yours to Kidscoast on Instagram. I hope that this artwork reminds you of the love of Jesus, that he picks us up, that his tender-hearted kindness puts us back together, that his kindness that he shows us helps us show others his love.